In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dragon Age The Veilguard stuttering and low FPS issues on PC or laptop. So, the first thing you want to do if that's happening to you, you want to restart your computer, then open up the game, and if that didn't help, here's the other things that you can try doing. The first one is to enable Nvidia's debug mode. So for this, we're going to simply go anywhere to our desktop if you're in Windows 11, right-click it, anywhere on an empty space, and then click Show More Options. In here, you want to click Nvidia Control Panel, or alternatively, you can just open up the Nvidia Control Panel via the search inside Windows. Now, once you're in here, what you want to do is click Help up here up top, and then click Debug Mode. Then yet again check if it's turned on. If it has a check mark on the left, that means it's turned on and you're good to go. So the second thing you want to do is yet again inside the Nvidia Control Panel, and you want to go over here to where it says 3D Settings, extend this and click on Manage 3D Settings. In here, go to Global Settings, so the first tab, scroll down a bit until you see Shader Cache Size. Make sure to click on this, and from driver default, put it to 10 or 100 gigabytes. This depends on whether you have a good computer or like a moderate computer. So if you have, for example, a gaming computer or a gaming laptop or PC, doesn't matter, you probably want to do 100 gigabytes and that will work just good for you, okay? Once you've done this, you want to open this up, you want to close this down, and then the second thing you want to do is basically update your BIOS. So you want to go to your computer's manufacturer website and look for BIOS updates on there. If there's any BIOS updates available, download them and install them, and this could help you fix the issue. So the next thing you want to do is, in case you're using an Nvidia graphics card, that is, you want to basically optimize the game. So you want to go down here to search box and open up GeForce Experience. If you don't have that installed on your computer, you can just Google it and install it directly from the Nvidia site. It's very quick and easy. In here, under Home tab, you'll see your game, so your Dragon Age The Veilguard. Simply click on your game, and then you'll have to wait for either a few minutes or a few seconds, depending on how many times you've done that in the past. And then you'll basically, there we go, get this optimize button over here, and then you simply want to click optimize, and then once you've done this, just simply launch the game, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you. If it didn't, what you can do next is go down here to your taskbar, right click anywhere where there's empty space, click Task Manager, go to Details over here, so click those three lines and click Details. Find your game while it's already running, so you have to do this while the game is running so we can find it, and then over here simply click on it, right click on it, and hover over Set Priority, and then put it to High, okay? So basically what this will do, it will change the priority for your game and give it more resources, therefore it can run much smoother. Then the next thing you can do is go down here to search box inside your Windows computer and type in Graphic Settings, this one over here. You want to then open these up, find your game here in the list, and you want to click on it, press Options, and then select High Performance. So click High Performance where there's your GPU listed. After that, click Save, and you're good to go. So then the penultimate option that we can do is to open Steam as admin. And the way you do this is first by closing down Steam completely. So in case you have Steam opened up like I do over here, don't just close it down with this button over here. You want to completely shut it down, and you can do this by showing these hidden icons, right-clicking on Steam and pressing Exit Steam. This will shut down Steam, as you can see. And just to make sure it's actually shut down, you want to go down here to your taskbar again, right-click Task Manager, and look for anything Steam related in here. If there's no results, you're good to go. Steam has been shut down completely, and it's not running in the background or on your computer. And then if it says anything related to Steam over here, you want to click on it, just like this. Let me show you. There we go. You want to click on it and press End Task, and that's it. After this, you want to go to search box and search for Steam yet again, right click on it and click Run as Administrator. Then if it asks you to enter in your admin PIN, just do it. If it doesn't, that's good as well. Now it may start updating if you're doing this for the first time, and it may even ask you for basically your username and password of Steam in case you've never logged in as admin before, okay? But then once you do this, you'll see that you'll then get this message waiting for network, it will log you into your Steam account, and from there we're gonna proceed on. What's really important over here though is that once Steam opens up as admin, is you go inside library and you open up the game via here by pressing the play button over here inside library and not on your desktop. And if you've done that and this still hasn't fixed the issue, the last thing you can try doing is go into your game here in the library, right-clicking it, pressing properties, and then installed files, and in here you want to click verify integrity of game files. What this will do, it will scan all your files for this game, and if there's any bad or misbehaving files in there, or maybe some files missing, it will essentially re-download them and reinstall those files, therefore fix the game for you. So that's pretty much it, that's all you can do. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.